Welcome to Educate to Amaze. My name is Ranjit. If this is your first time here, consider hitting that subscribe button to keep discovering amazing content. Welcome back, space enthusiasts. Have you ever wondered what lies beyond the vastness of our universe? Exploring the uncharted territories of space has always fascinated us. However, numerous myths and mysteries have clouded our understanding of the cosmos. In today's video, we will debunk the top 10 space myths to separate fact from fiction. Let's dive in. Myth 1. Aliens visit Earth regularly. The idea of extraterrestrial beings visiting Earth and interacting with humans has been a popular topic of speculation for decades. However, there is currently no credible scientific evidence to support the existence of aliens visiting our planet. Astronomers continue to search for signs of intelligent life elsewhere in the universe, but as of now, it remains a myth. Myth 2. The moon landing was faked. One of the most infamous space-related conspiracy theories revolves around the Apollo moon landing in 1969. Despite overwhelming evidence proving otherwise, some people believe that the moon landing was staged to deceive the world. However, multiple missions, moon rocks, and astronaut testimonials have all confirmed the authenticity of the Apollo moon missions. Myth 3. The sun is fire. While the sun appears to be a fiery ball of flames, it's important to note that the sun is not actually made of fire. Instead, it is a giant nuclear fusion reactor that produces immense heat and light. The sun's energy is generated through the fusion of hydrogen atoms into helium, creating the heat and light that sustain life on Earth. Myth 4. Black holes are cosmic vacuum cleaners. Black holes are mysterious and captivating cosmic phenomena. Often misunderstood, they are not cosmic vacuum cleaners that consume everything in their path. Black holes have a specific radius called the event horizon, beyond which anything that crosses cannot escape. However, they do not randomly devour everything in the universe. They are just highly gravitational objects formed from collapsed stars. Myth 5. There is no gravity in space. Contrary to popular belief, space is not completely devoid of gravity. While it is true that astronauts in space experience microgravity, or weightlessness due to being in constant free fall around the Earth, gravity still exists in these regions. Gravity is what keeps celestial bodies in orbit and affects their motion throughout the universe. Myth 6. The Big Bang created the universe from nothing. The Big Bang theory is widely accepted as the most plausible explanation for the origin of our universe. However, it doesn't mean that it came from nothing. The Big Bang describes the rapid expansion of an extremely dense and hot singularity, which contained all the matter and energy that would form the universe. It does not explain where this singularity came from or what caused it, leaving the ultimate origin still unknown. Myth 7. You explode if exposed to vacuum of space. The idea that you would instantly explode upon being exposed to the vacuum of space is a common misconception perpetuated by movies and popular culture. In reality, the lack of atmospheric pressure in space does not cause immediate explosion. However, the absence of air pressure can lead to severe bodily harm due to the expansion of gases within the body and the inability to breathe, making spacewalking without proper protection incredibly dangerous. Myth 8. Space is always cold. While space is predominantly extremely cold, it can also be incredibly hot depending on various factors. In the vast vacuum of space, there is no air or matter to conduct heat, resulting in a lack of temperature transfer. However, close to stars and in certain high-energy environments, such as around black holes or within nebulae, temperatures can reach extreme levels. Myth 9. The sun and moon are the same size. Although the sun and the moon may appear similar in size from our perspective on Earth, they are vastly different in actual size. The sun's diameter is about 400 times larger than that of the moon. The reason they appear similar during a solar eclipse is due to the sun's distance from Earth combined with the moon's much closer proximity. Myth 10. Space travel is impossible due to speed of light. The idea that space travel is completely impossible due to the speed of light is not entirely accurate. While the speed of light poses significant challenges, there are theoretical concepts, such as wormholes and warp drives, that scientists explore to potentially travel greater distances in a shorter time. However, our current understanding of physics and technology has limitations that prevent us from achieving such feats. And that concludes our journey to debunk the top 10 space myths. I hope you enjoyed this enlightening exploration of the truths behind these common misconceptions. Remember, space is still filled with countless mysteries waiting to be unraveled. Stay curious and keep exploring. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more captivating content about the wonders of the universe. Until next time, keep your eyes on the stars.